इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम to Asma's Kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I'm going to share really yummy yogurt dip. Serve it with snacks or biryani. It is going to be really yummy. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. And watch this video till the end for recipe card. Right, let's get started with the recipe of yogurt dip. Yogurt 1 cup, salt 1 teaspoon, green chilies 12, garlic 2 cloves, roasted cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, mint half cup. Firstly, take half of yogurt in separate bowl. Then take rest of half in a blender. Add salt, mint, green chilies, roasted cumin seeds, garlic. Now cover it and blend it well. Add this mixture into plain yogurt and mix it well. Now I am serving it in this serving bowl. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. Link is in the description. Give thumbs up if you like it. Leave comment below and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload a new video. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.